Magic XPI lets you manage the ingestion of file, database, or API data into Sugar. Administrators control the integrations directly in a Sugar module to configure such settings as enabling or disabling each transaction type, the naming and format of the files and where to find them, performance tuning as far as like how large of requests to send and how many parallel threads, the load order for the different file types, and the logging level. And also you can choose the name of the Magic mapping flow that will be used in the background cloud server to actually move the data across. This one's using master data, so we can go open that in the Magic XPI Studio and see what the master data integration flow looks like. This one supports doing both members and business files here. When we're running a members file, the left side here is going to be a CSV, and the right side is going to be a JSON schema that's going to go to the Sugar bulk loader. So you can see here everything kind of maps straight across in this file, but we could do complex transformations or look up data in third-party data sources as we move stuff across to do transformations to get the data into Sugar. There's also a dashboard that lets the administrator see the disposition of each file, and also the status, what's been loaded, what's yet to be loaded, what's happening right now. If we click on a particular file, we can see the record counts. So how many were in the original file, how many caused updates to be done, how many records are created, and then also if there were any errors as well. And then each time we run a file in, there'll be a report generated that gives some more details about how long it ran and more details about what the actual errors were in each file.